Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering up both the case and earbuds to full. This rules out power glitches. Once charged, you reset Bluetooth on your phone and forget the JBL Tour Pro 2. This clears pairing conflicts. Then, inspect ear tips, mesh, and charging pins for lint or corrosion using a soft brush. Debris often blocks contacts or microphones. If you see dirt, gently clean with isopropyl on a swab. These quick checks confirm whether the issue is hygiene, pairing, or power-related. You now perform a factory reset by holding both touchpads until the LEDs flash. This clears software faults. After resetting, open the JBL app and check for firmware updates. Update with stable Wi-Fi and at least 50% battery, because interrupted updates brick hardware. Once updated, pair by placing one bud in your ear and pairing that single bud first. Once connected, add the second for proper stereo syncing. This sequence fixes most connection and software timing mismatches that cause dropouts. Finish by addressing hardware. Open the case and use a magnifier to align and clean charging pins, then place a bud in and gently wiggle to confirm charging LED behavior. Next, test mic, ANC, and touch controls with a call and while playing music. This verifies sensors and firmware interaction. If problems persist after these steps, prepare a brief fault log and contact JBL support or arrange warranty service, because physical repairs or component swaps may be required if charging or driving.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.